Hey guys, today we've got another unboxing for you. It's the first one we've had in a little while here, and it is more shoes, more Nike shoes. Just ordered these off the JD website. They came directly from Nike, though, I believe, because they came packaged in a box directly from Nike. It's just your standard box here, just the kind of your orange ring. Where is it? There's the bit I'm looking for. Oh my god, one-handed. This is so awkward. So we've got size 10.5, UK 9.5. Good. Black and, well, it says black/white Noir. I can't pronounce that. Noir, Blanc. Nike Air Max 97s. So yeah, I've never had a pair of 97s. Or a pair of 98s, or a pair of Air Max 1s, and I was looking at those three lines because I was needing a new pair, obviously, and yeah, I just wanted to try one of the lines that I hadn't tried yet. 9 times out of 10, a 9.5 with Nike fits me perfectly. It gives me just that little bit of extra room to where it's comfy, and it doesn't feel too snug and too uncomfortable on the foot, and just gives me that just basically the feel I like. So I'm hoping, because I've never tried a pair of 97s on, I'm hoping that these will be true to size. But let's go ahead and get these out. Oh, they're clean. Now, I did try to go for the triple black, but the 9.5 was out of stock, and I just couldn't wait, because I thought maybe, I'll just be waiting around for however long, and I just wanted a pair of shoes. But let me just get these. Oh, and it's the black inside. I thought it was like just clear. That is actually nice. I didn't even notice that on the website. I thought it was just the way it looked. Okay, let me get these out. Oh, look at that. Over there. So we'll sit you up here, and we'll take a look at this one here. So as you can see, that's the colorway. Try and get close up here so you can see everything. I like the white bottom, and I really like that it's the black in there. It just cuts off the the color a little bit there with the white. Just makes it nice. It's a little bit kind of forced down, looking a bit like kind of flat up here at the top, and that'll kind of come up a little bit once I get all this stuff out and that. But yeah, looking now, I suppose I could show you here like the direct. Well, let me get this out, and then I'll show you the kind of bird's eye view, whatever you call it, down. Inside, there you are. You've got your little pull tab here at the back, which has just Air Max on it, is it? Yep. And then you've got your swoosh there, a swoosh there, another one there, and sometimes you see like a little swoosh here. I'm just wondering if there's anything in black. No. But yeah, these are so nice looking. God, I really hope these fit me, because if they don't fit me, I'm going to be so disappointed. I really want to wear these tomorrow. But there is the look, the kind of bird's eye look down there. I like just the way the black. I like the fact that although it's all black, just the breakup of the materials here, it just adds that little bit of an effect to it that just looks so nice. Let's get the other one down. Okay, and you know what? I actually do have on my my Air Max joggers. So let me just try and throw one of these on, see if it does fit while you guys are here with me. Have I got everything out? Yeah, I have. What one is this, the right one? Oh, it could be. I mean, the laces aren't done up the way I like them. They're kind of a bit annoying the way they are at the moment. I need to get them sorted the way I like, so I'm just going to throw them on quickly, but BAM! Okay, that fits nice. And oh, I've just noticed as well, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but what I've just noticed as well is with the when you're looking down here, you probably can't see it, but like when the light hits it, I don't know if that's I didn't think that was the reflective ones, but there's like a little bit of a reflective look to it at times. Okay, let me see here. So Yeah, there you go, guys. Trying to do this one-footed here, like while holding the camera bent over. So here's a look at it, like that on foot, and here's a look the other side. Oh god, I think that looks so clean. That does look clean, doesn't it? God, I'm getting all over the place. Don't know what way the camera's meant to go. Okay, let me just try and. Yeah, that fits. That is. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm actually tempted to go and order another pair of these. They're so comfy. I was actually really worried because obviously, you know, like I had done it just with Corona and everything. I really needed, like, these joggers came the other day in the post, and I was worried these weren't going to fit 'cause I got a large, and you know, previously back in October there I was a double XL, but I've lost so much weight. I've been smashing the gym. I've just been, you know, hammering, like you can see over there, the weights and the weight bench. I've just been doing that while I'm in, you know, COVID and everything because the gyms are all closed. But yeah, I mean, these are so comfy. I might go and order another pair in a different colorway. I like the fact the little white bits there as well. That just kind of, yeah. See, there you go. You see from this angle, you see how it just kind of, the color changes a little bit, but when you change at different angles, that, yeah, oh, that's so nice. But yeah, I was so worried that they weren't going to fit or they weren't going to be comfy, and then I was going to have to send them back, and it's just a lot of hassle. I hate doing that, but these look really nice. And like I said, like with the joggers, I got them in a size large and they fit perfect. Actually, even a little bit baggy, but I like that. So I could probably even get away with a medium with them now as well. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you at hopefully another video in the future, if I guess can be bothered.